Hi, I'm going to be going over exercise 11.4 in homework 2, the second part of our homework. The stockholders' equity section of Flint Corporation's balance sheet at December 31st is presented here. And then it gives us all these different numbers, and we're going to go through and from a review of the stockholders' equity section, answer the following questions. So A, it asks how many shares of common stock are outstanding. So to find the outstanding of the common stock, the shares that are outstanding with the common stock, we're going to come up here to common stock, and it says that right here is these shares right here that are authorized, but we're just going to be using the 559,000 shares that are issued. We're just working with the shares that are issued. And we will take that and minus the treasury stock of the common shares right here. Subtract that, the 7,900. So this from that is going to get us 551,100 shares. And that's how we find A. Now with B, it says assuming there's a stated value, what is the stated value of the common stock? We come back up here and we can see over here that there is no paid-in capital excess for common stock. And so we're going to take the dollar amount of the common stock, which is right over here, and we're going to divide it by the shares issued. So right here, 559,000 shares that were issued. So that is going to give us the stated value of the common stock per share, which would be $5 per share. So then we're going to move to C. What is the par value of the preferred stock? So again, we're going to come up to the preferred stock, and here's the cumulative share, 11,667 shares authorized, but we're going to focus on the 7,000 shares issued and outstanding. And we can also see that there is no paid-in capital in excess for preferred stock. So we're going to take the 735,000 and divide it by the shares of 7,000, and we're going to get the dollar amount of $105 per share. $105 per share. And then now we're going to move down to D. If the annual dividend on preferred stock is 58,800, what is the dividend rate on preferred stock? So to get that, we're going to take the annual dividend of this right here, preferred stock of 58,800, and we're going to divide it by the preferred stock issued, which was 7,000. And so that is going to be 58,800 divided by 7,000 equals 8.4. And then we're going to take that 8.4 and divide it by the par value of the preferred stock, which is 105. And that is going to get us 8% to find the dividend rate on D. So then we'll move to E. If the dividends of 77,100 were in arrears on preferred stock, what would be the balance reported for retained earnings? So with arrears on, they talked about how it needs to be declared by the board of directors on the books. So cumulative dividends in arrears are only disclosed in notes to financial statements. So we actually don't do anything as far as adding and subtracting from the retained earnings balance. So we just go up and find the retained earning balance and put that 1,197,000 into this right here. Hopefully this is helpful, and hopefully you all have a wonderful 4th of July. Thanks.